You may be wondered what's with this QR code. Well, you have to scan it. As you can see, you entered my YouTube channel. And if you are already here, it would help me a lot if you subscribe to it. Right now I will show you how to create your own QR code. And for this we are gonna use Python and more specifically the package QR code. For this you have to pip install the QR code. After we installed our package, we should also import it, of course. And after that, we should choose the actual URL where we want to point through our QR code. After we decide what our URL should be, we should actually create our QR code. And for this, we will use the qrcode.qrcode as an object where we set its box size to be 10 and its border to be 4. But you can also skip these parameters since this is the default. After that, we should point our new created QR code to our URL by using the add data and create the actual QR code by using the make function with the fit with true. And if we want to actually have a PNG with our QR code, we should simply write qr.makeImage. We can select its fill color, that is default black, and back color, that is default white. And in order to actually save it, we should use save and choose a name. I will choose qr.png. And if we actually run our code right now with python qrgenerator.py, we should see that the image is created exactly how it was in the beginning of the video. If you stayed until the end, I want to thank you a lot for watching.